So today we are at Maldon Play Park.
Maldon Play Park.
Yeah. Gives me turn.
Remember just for a little while, so we go back to the park.
Yep, go into the play park. Evie, I think you might need a hand with that one. It doesn't really go anywhere. Go on this big frame over here, look, and it's got loads of stuff. Quick, over here, look. Evie, this way, through the middle. Oh, Daddy's got a duck. Ah, there's some steps. Go, look, there's a slide there. Go down the slide. I'll put you on the big bit in a minute. Go down the slide. Evie, are you off? Go. You want to go on the big high frame? Right, let's get you up there then. Right, follow me and we'll go around the other side and I'll pick you up. Okay? Go on then. Through this way. Look.
Look at this.
Up here. Right, wait a minute and I'll put you up. Can you do it? I'll help you. Evie! 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 Evie, look, go on this bridge. Across here. Stepping stone bridge. Evie! That's it, look. Wait a minute. Go, Baba. You can go up that side as well, Evie, look, that way. Evie! Hello. It's cold. Hey Mama, you love being in my videos, don't you? Sit up there. Far side, this is a big loop, look. With all sorts of stuff in the middle. Come show Mummy the bridge again, look. A big slide over there. Oh, she's going to do the twirly slide. Evie, go. Whee! There's steps there, look. Evie. Easiest way up. Whoa, look at this big slide, Evie. Yeah, go up there and you gotta go up the steps. Try and get her on the slide. Go, Evie.
Evie.
You going up there, Bubba? Can you do the climbing up the rope bit? Hey, look, there's a steering wheel under here, Bubby. Look, you could drive it under there. Look, underneath. I got you. It's got a slide up there. You done? Evie. Evie, gonna go down the slide. Evie. What are you doing? Yeah. Alright, careful on there.